Hey guys, welcome back to Running with Curls. I know it's been a while since I posted a tutorial, and today I want to show you kind of my new obsession, which is my one product refresh. So you guys know I'm a runner, I'm a teacher, I am all about being able to have good curls and get out the door super fast. So I have stumbled upon a new product. I'm sure a lot of you in the curl community have used this before, but this brand, CURLSMITH, holy cow, it is a complete and total game changer. I've tried so many different products from their line, and this is my new obsession. So this is the Moisture Memory Reactivator, and I have literally got my refresh routine down to something that takes just a matter of minutes, and it always looks really, really good and just always gives me great results. So underneath, satin cap, these are day 7 curls. So just kind of take that in for a second. The only thing I've done is use this all week. Now, these are day 7 curls that include teaching, that include 4 runs, 2 different high intensity interval training workouts, and they still look like this. So that by itself is enough for me to be like, okay, I'm gonna keep using this, it works. So I just wanna show you guys what we're working with. So I still have some really great definition. I do have some curls that have gone a little bit wonky. I have some dogs wrestling in the background. You can also see the right side of my hair is a little bit more stretched out than the left. I've got some curls who have kind of pretty much tried to straighten out. Got some rogue guys over here doing just, whatever, not really curling, just being strange. And in the back, you can see the back of my head is pretty much flat. So this is gonna be where we're focusing because that's where I'm gonna need to rebuild that volume. So that is what we're working with, and now I want to show you guys my one product refresh. So first thing I need to do is wet down my curls. I use the continual sprayer because it allows me to get my curls damp without getting them soaking wet. I'm not going for a full wet refresh. I just want it to be a little bit damp. I want to reactivate the products that are already in my hair, which will allow me to use less of my refresh product. You can see as I'm doing that, it's sticking. I definitely have some halo frizz, but you know what? We're going to embrace that because I'd much rather refresh than do a wash day because I know I have a really big run tomorrow. And as you guys know, I totally plan out my wash days around my runs. So refresh today and we're gonna wash tomorrow. And I do wanna make sure I get the crown of my head really nice and wet, just because that's the area that went totally flat from sleeping on it. And we wanna get that fixed. Okay, so curls are pretty damp throughout. I'm gonna flip my head over real quick. Make sure I get just the underside because that can get neglected and we don't want that. And so now all I'm gonna do is something called micro plopping. I gotta grab my towel. Basically, micro plopping, not gonna lie, I just kind of learned this term myself, but it's where you take your curls and you don't actually put them in the full up on top of your head plop, but you take a microfiber towel or a t-shirt and you take out that extra moisture before you begin styling, which is what I want to do. Like I said, I want my curls damp. I don't want them soaking wet because that is not our goal today. Okay. I am though this guy who's being nice and frizzy and doing this real weird curl pattern thing. I am gonna get that piece totally wet because I'm going to recurl him. So one thing that I do when I refresh is I will do some spot curl training. So I'll get it totally wet and then just curl it up to help reestablish. Oh, that didn't work at all. Let's try this. Okay. Now we're going to brush curl this one. Has that finger curling. There's an example of what not to do. And there we go. Well, it's caught in with the other guy, but there you go. So that is one thing that I do to kind of help, and I will do that around the crown of my head as well, just to kind of refresh some of those curls. My one product. Literally, this is all I use to refresh. A couple of sprays, especially some on the crown, down through here. And that is it, guys. That's all I do to refresh these curls. And like I said, this is day 7. I don't get to day 7. That's not a thing that I normally do, but they still look really good. Like if they look like trash, I would totally wash my hair. But like I said, I'm running tomorrow and they look really good. So we're gonna go with that. Okay, so I've sprayed it. I am going to curl train just to help fix those curl patterns that got a little bit wonky. Again, just gonna brush that out. Just the ones that, the sections that I'm wanting to fix. If it still looks pretty good, I leave it alone. Okay, don't fix what's not broken, and don't give yourself more work than you need to. Because remember, I'm all about getting out the door quickly, but still looking put together. Because let me tell you, the middle schoolers, they will call you out. Yeah, so if you want to hear how it is, go teach middle school. Okay, so curl trained some of those sections around the crown of my hair, and you can air dry. Again, you know me, I cannot stand wet hair, so I'm going to diffuse. And honestly, with this, it takes about 5 minutes. So super quick diffuse, and then I'm gonna show you guys our results. So seriously, about 5 minutes later, these are my curls. Holy cow. So you can see tons of definition and lots of volume. That's what I really like about this refresh styler. It does leave a little bit of a cast. So I am gonna go in and scrunch out the crunch. So a couple things caused the curl cast. One, the water reactivated the ingredients that I already have that form a cast. And then this product does form a little bit of a cast. So let's scrunch this out. You can also use a finishing oil to scrunch out the crunch. I do not, just because my hair is kind of fine looking at it. You would not think that, but it is. And so a lot of the oils kind of weigh my hair down. If you have fine hair and you use a finishing oil, drop me a comment, tell me what you use. I'm always looking for new products. So pretty much scrunched out the crunch here. Look at this. So awesome, awesome results. Tons of volume, tons of definition. I am here for this product. I am here for these day 7 curls looking like this. Yes, do I have some that are more stretched out than normal? Absolutely. Am I gonna live with that and rock this outfit and these curls today? Absolutely I am. So, super thrilled. You can see the back has lots of volume as well. That was our goal, to get it so it wasn't stuck to the crown of my head. So, thanks so much for hanging out with me today, for checking out my 1 product refresh. Again, the CURLSMITH, the Moisture Memory Reactivator. This stuff is the bomb. Absolutely love it. And just so you know, this is absolutely not an ad, not a campaign working with them. I just really like this product and wanted to share it with you. So thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys have an amazing week, a fantastic Thanksgiving. Make sure you like and subscribe and check out my YouTube on Thursday. I'm going to be doing a Thanksgiving Black Friday giveaway, so you don't want to miss that. And hey, have an awesome day. Bye guys.